Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's review, we're comparing two heavyweights in the world of open source AIs, DeepSeek and Qwen 2.5. Both are making waves in 2025, but which one stands out as the best open source AI? We'll break down their features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which one is right for you. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, so always do your own research before diving into any AI platform. First, let's take a look at the official websites for each AI tool. DeepSeek offers a range of cutting-edge AI tools designed to enhance business insights and improve decision-making through advanced machine learning algorithms. DeepSeek is known for its data analysis capabilities, allowing businesses to extract valuable insights from large data sets. The platform promises accurate predictions and customizable solutions for a variety of industries. Its primary strength lies on its open source nature, making it a solid choice for developers who want to customize and fine tune their AI solutions. You can learn more about DeepSeek on their official website. On the other hand, Qwen 2.5 is a powerhouse AI focused on language processing and natural language understanding. Known for its state-of-the-art NLP capabilities, Qwen 2.5 excels at understanding and generating human-like texts. It's particularly popular among developers looking to integrate AI into chatbots, content generation, and other text-based applications. The open source aspect of Qwen 2.5 allows for wide customization, making it a top choice for those who want a flexible, easy to deploy AI model for NLP projects. Now let's compare the two based on key factors. So for the use case, DeepSeek is ideal for data analysis, predictions, and insight extraction, making it a great choice for businesses looking to optimize operations. While Qwen 2.5 shines in a natural language processing or NLP, making it perfect for projects that require understanding and generating text, such as chatbots or content creation tools. For customization, DeepSeek offers excellent customization for developers, especially those who need tailored AI solutions for industry-specific needs. While Qwen 2.5 is also highly customizable for language-based tasks and is ideal for integrating conversational AI into platforms and applications. For the ease of use, DeepSeek is more geared towards business intelligence and might require more technical know-how to make the most of its data-driven features, while Qwen 2.5, with its focus on NLP, is easier to integrate for those focused on content generation or conversational interfaces. So which AI is the best open source option for 2025? If you're in the business or data science field and need a powerful tool for analyzing datasets and making predictions, DeepSeek is your go-to choice. Its flexible and customizability makes it an excellent choice for enterprise solutions. However, if you're a developer or business focused on language processing and want to integrate chatbots or content generating tools or generation tools, Qwen 2.5 is the winner. Its advanced NLP capabilities make it the top pick for those needing a reliable, open-source AI for text-related tasks. And that's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.